Hello friends and students, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to see 6 main difference between the determinant and matrix. This is our part 3 matrix topic, video part 3. Now, I observe that most of the students are confused with determinant and matrix. Whenever they are asked to write a determinant, they write matrix, or when they ask to write matrix, they write determinant. Most of the students are not understood the difference between the determinant and matrix. In this video, we are going to learn what are the main 6 difference between the determinant and matrix. So let us start. Now, first, there are 2 columns, determinant and matrix. The first is matrix has equal number of rows and column. Example, D1, suppose here 2 rows, 2 column. Another example, D2, 3 rows, 3 columns. So, determinant has equal number of rows and column. Unlike matrix has any number of rows or any number of columns. For example, here 3 into 4, 3 rows, 4 column. The column matrix is containing only 1 column, row matrix containing only 1 row. Therefore, matrix has any number of rows and any number of column. The second difference is determinant has its value. It is called expansion. For example, suppose if I take the determinant A, B, C, D, then we can find its value. We multiply A with D and C with D. A into D minus C into B. So this is the value of the determinant. For matrix, there is no real value associated with the matrix. We cannot find the value of matrix. Matrix is valueless. The third important difference is for their representation. Elements in determinant are enclosed within 2 vertical bar. Most of the students get confusing by writing determinant as a square and rectangle bracket. But determinant is just a vertical, 2 vertical bars. In matrix, elements are enclosed in a rectangular or square bracket always. Number 4, if a scalar k is multiplied to the determinant, then k is multiplied to each element of any row or column. Now this is an property. Suppose k is multiplied to a determinant. Determinants I shall take A, B, C, D. Then k multiplied to the each element of any row or any column. For example, here k multiplied by A, k multiplied by Y, but k does not multiply by C and D. So each element of any one row or any column. In matrix, if a scalar k is multiplied to the matrix, then k is multiplied to every element of the matrix. Suppose k multiplied by this matrix, then k multiplied to the each and every element of the matrix. This is an important property. Now next, number 5. We cannot perform addition, subtraction and multiplication on determinant. But by finding their values, we can add, subtract and multiply as usual with the numbers. In matrices, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication on matrices. And last final difference is determinant has 6 important properties. Matrix do not have such any properties. So these are the 6 important properties. Students should remember in the exam the determinant and matrix. Thank you for watching my video.